Hey guys, welcome to another lesson. In this one, we will talk about how to add a text to the AutoCAD program. So how to add a text, simply you can see text from here. You can take here to add text, or simply you can click on text like this T, okay, which is text like this. And you have to know that the text is added in a rectangle, so I will put it like this. So I would like my own text to be in a rectangle like this, and click. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I will say, let's say Ahmed Mahdi courses / Khadija Academy. Okay, so that is our text. That's the first thing. Number two, if I would like to change its size, let's say click anywhere like this. Okay, you will find that here we have our text, okay, which is very small. So what I'm going to do is that I double click on the roll as we learned before, or click on zoom extends to show our text. Now, if you would like to adjust the size of the text, you can simply double click like this. You will get back to these tools for the text. Number one, if you would like to change its size, simply select all of the text like this and go here, and let's say instead of 0.2, let's say 200, and click on enter on the keyboard like this. So now you can see the text size became very large compared to before. Okay, that's the first part. Number two, if you would like to make it bold, simply click on here. If you would like to make it italic like this, if you would like to add an underline like this, and etc. Number two, if you would like to change the color of this text from white, you can see by layer, or simply you can change the color as you would like. Let's say I would like to have it in the green like this. So we have a green color. Number two, there is also the adjustment. Okay, adjustment or alignment of the text like this. You can see it can be in the middle like this, in the middle of this shape, which is very large. You can see it is now in the middle, or on the right side, or on the left side, and etc. Okay, another thing is that if you would like to say, let's say area equal to 25 millimeter square or meter square. How can I add the square? You can find it in symbols here. You find degrees, delta, phase, angle, ohm, and etc. So you can see here squared like this. You will have the symbol of square. Okay, you can find here all of the settings or the options that we have in the Word and Excel. So that's how you can add a text in AutoCAD program.